Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm going to walk you through how to convert HEIC to JPG on Google Drive, and basically how to change the format from HEIC to JPG in this full 2025 guide. If your iPhone or device keeps saving images as HEIC files, and you just want a clean JPG, you can use anywhere. This video is going to make the whole process super simple. So first, open up googledrive.com and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on Drive so you can access all your folders and files. From there, look toward the left side and choose New, which will open up a menu of different actions you can take. In that menu, find More, because we're about to add an extra tool we need for the conversion. When the expanded list appears, select Connect More Apps, which opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Heic to bring up the HEIC-related tools. When the EIC viewer or converter option shows up, click on it to open its details page. Once you're there, choose Install, which begins adding the tool to your Google Drive. You may get a prompt asking to continue, so just click Continue to move forward. Google might also ask for permission to connect the app to your drive, so simply press OK when that appears. After the app is installed, return to your drive and locate the newly added option in the list. When you see it highlighted in the menu, click to open the tool. From there, you'll see a link that directs you to the HEIC viewer hosted at speedtesting.herokuapp.com, so select that link to open it in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll see a space labeled Drop a File here, and that's where you can drag or upload your HEIC image. As soon as you drop the file in, the tool processes it and converts it into a JPG you can download. And that's the whole process. It's quick, it's simple, and it works perfectly for anyone who uses Google Drive regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new guide.